Hello and welcome to another episode of Weekly Quiz. Question 1. What is the newly introduced category in Swachh Sarvekshan 2024-25? A. Green City League. B. Super Swachh League. C. Cleanest City Award. D. Sustainability Award. The correct answer is option B. Super Swachh League. The newly introduced category, Super Swachh League, features cities that consistently rank in the top tier of cleanliness in the survey. Question 2. When is the Nelson Mandela International Day observed? A. 18th July. B. 19th July. C. 12th August. D. 5th June. The correct answer is option A. 18th July. Nelson Mandela International Day is observed every year on 18th July, marking the anniversary of Nelson Mandela's birth. Question 3. What breakthrough medical technique was used for the first time in India at Rajasthan Hospital, Jaipur? A. Percutaneous transaxillary TAVI. B. Percutaneous coronary intervention PCI. C. Aortic valve replacement AVR. D. Coronary artery bypass surgery CABG. The correct answer is option A. Percutaneous transaxillary TAVI. Doctors at Rajasthan Hospital, Jaipur, successfully replaced a heart valve using the artery in the arm using the innovative technique called percutaneous transaxillary TAVI. 4. The Great Andamanese tribe is historically known for resisting British intrusion in which battle? A. Battle of Tolai. B. Battle of Port Blair. C. Battle of Jangipur. D. Battle of Aberdeen. The correct answer is option D. Battle of Aberdeen. The Great Andamanese tribe is historically known for resisting British intrusion during the Battle of Aberdeen in 1859. Question 5. The Gola Tivai complex, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is located in which country? A. Sierra Leone. B. Liberia. C. Guinea. D. Ivory Coast. The correct answer is option A. Sierra Leone. The Gola Tivai complex, which includes the Gola Rainforest National Park and Tivai Island Wildlife Sanctuary, is located in Sierra Leone. Question 6. What is the maximum duration for which a private vehicle registration is valid under the Motor Vehicles Act 1988? A. 10 years. B. 15 years. C. 20 years. D. 25 years. The correct answer is option B. 15 years. Under the Motor Vehicles Act 1988, private vehicle registration is valid for 15 years. After this period, the registration must be renewed. Question 7. What is the average lifespan of a grey seal? A. 10 to 15 years. B. 50 to 60 years. C. 25 to 35 years. D. 5 to 10 years. The correct answer is option C. 25 to 35 years. Grey seals typically live for 25 to 35 years, with females giving birth to a single pup after an 11-month pregnancy. This relatively long lifespan makes them a key part of the marine ecosystem over several decades. Question 8. According to the India State of Forest Report 2023, what percentage of India's geographical area is covered by forests and tree cover? A. 15.7%, B. 25.17%, C. 35.5%, D. 40%. The correct answer is option D. 25.17%. As per the India State of Forest Report 2023, India's forest and tree cover constitutes 25.17% of the country's geographical area, emphasizing the ecological importance of forests in the country. Question 9. Which ethnic group do the refugees from Myanmar, Bangladesh and Manipur belong to? A. Mizo. B. Bom. C. Zo. D. Chin. The correct answer is option C. Zo. The refugees from Myanmar's Chin state, Bangladesh's Bom and Manipur's Kuki, Zo, all belong to the larger Zo ethnic group with which the Mizo community of Mizoram shares cultural and familial ties. Question 10. Which aircraft successfully test-fired the Astra missile? A. Rafale. B. Su-30 Mk-1. C. MiG-21. D. Tejas. The correct answer is Su-30 Mk-1. The Astra missile was successfully test-fired from an Indian Air Force Su-30 Mk-1 fighter jet. The Su-30 Mk-1 is one of the most advanced multi-role fighter aircraft in the Indian Air Force. Question 11. Which language was made compulsory as the third language in Maharashtra schools before the government scrapped the resolution? A. Hindi. B. English. C. Marathi. D. Sanskrit. The correct answer is option A. Hindi. The Maharashtra government had initially mandated Hindi as the compulsory third language for students in grades 1 to 5, which was later withdrawn due to concerns. Question 12. What new species of the tree-dwelling reptile was discovered by the paleontologist Victor Beccari? A. Sphenodactyl scandentis, B. Tyrannosaurus rex, C. Stegosaurus elongatus, D. Brachiosaurus rex. The correct answer is option A. Sphenodactyl scandentis. The new species of tree-dwelling reptile discovered by Victor Beccari was named Sphenodactyl scandentis. Question 13. What was the major technique used in this study to analyze ancient proteins? A. Carbon dating, B. Chiral amino acid analysis, C. DNA sequencing, D. Radiometric dating. The correct answer is option B. Chiral amino acid analysis. The study used sophisticated techniques like chiral amino acid analysis to analyze ancient proteins and understand evolutionary processes. Question 14. How long is the Dror-1 satellite designed to operate? A. 5 years, B. 10 years, C. 15 years, D. 20 years. The correct answer is option C. 15 years. Dror-1 is designed to operate for the next 15 years, serving Israel's communication needs. Question 15. Which virus causes measles? A. Influenza virus, B. Morbillivirus, C. Varicella zoster virus, D. Adenovirus. The correct answer is option B. Morbillivirus. Measles is caused by the morbillivirus, an RNA virus that affects only humans. Question 16. What was the gross domestic savings rate in India in 2022-23? A. 34.6%, B. 29.7%, C. 30.5%, D. 32.0%. The correct answer is option B. 29.7%. India's gross domestic savings rate fell from 34.6% in 2011-12 to 29.7% in 2022-23, marking a 4-decade low. Question 17. How many forts are included in the Maratha military landscapes recognized by UNESCO? A. 10, B. 11, C. 12, D. 14. The correct answer is option C. 12. The Maratha military landscapes include 14 forts, 11 of which are in Maharashtra and 1 in Tamil Nadu. Question 18. Where was the latest Nipah virus case reported recently? A. Siliguri, B. Meherpur, C. Muzaffarpur, D. Palakkad. The correct answer is option D. Palakkad. The latest Nipah case was reported in the Palakkad district of Kerala, where a 58-year-old man tested positive after his death. Question 19. Which country is the host for the Talisman Sabre 2025 military exercise? A. India, B. United States, C. Australia, D. Japan. The correct answer is option C. Australia. Talisman Sabre 2024 is hosted by Australia and is one of the largest and most sophisticated war-fighting exercises in the country. Question 20. What is India's target for installed non-fossil energy capacity by 2030? A. 400 gigawatts, B. 450 gigawatts, C. 500 gigawatts, D. 600 gigawatts. The correct answer is option C. 500 gigawatts. India has set a target to achieve 500 gigawatts of installed non-fossil energy capacity by 2030 as part of its nationally determined contributions under the Paris Agreement.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.